Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beer can chicken on your charcoal grill. First, select a whole chicken, ideally around 4 pounds, for optimal cooking. Next, set up your charcoal grill for indirect heat, ensuring one side is hot and the other is not. Finally, grab a standard 12-ounce can of your preferred beverage, opening it and pouring out about 1/3 of the liquid. This setup is crucial for a perfectly cooked bird. Now, let's get your chicken ready for the grill. Begin by rinsing the whole chicken inside and out, then pat it completely dry with paper towels. This helps the skin crisp up beautifully. Next, generously apply your favorite dry rub or seasoning blend all over the chicken, ensuring full coverage. Finally, carefully insert the open, partially filled beverage can into the chicken's cavity, making sure it stands upright and is stable. It's time to get grilling. Carefully place your prepared chicken upright on the side of the grill with indirect heat. Close the lid and maintain a consistent grill temperature of approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the chicken for about 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 45 minutes, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid opening the lid too often. Once your chicken reaches the target temperature, carefully remove it from the grill. This next step is crucial for juicy results. Let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. After resting, carefully remove the hot beverage can. Then, carve your perfectly cooked, incredibly juicy and flavorful beer can chicken. Serve it immediately and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.